Out of the box, ATAK comes with a very useful tool called Bloodhound. You can find it in your top menu bar or in your side hamburger menu. Now the nice thing about this tool is that it allows you to gather a distance and elevation change and line of sight between 2 points. So opening up the tool, you have two options. You can either use your device's location or you can click this button here and select your starting point. So let's start right here. And then we can select our ending point, which will be, let's say, across these woods right over here. Now we draw a line and we see that this is 900 meters away. But from the looks of it, it looks like it's a flat area. If we actually go click on this line, click on more information, we get some more information as far as the locations go. We can rename them, but if we do elevation profile, we can actually see that there is a very big hill right here, and then it drops down. So this allows us to see, do we have line of sight between these two distances? Let's say this is you and this is your buddy, and can you guys have, line of sight comms, or do you need to put a repeater right here so that you can both communicate with one another? You also get, here's the line of sight button. One second, let me click on it. There we go. Here's the line of sight button, which just creates a line. See, we have this massive hill here. And then we can also see a view shed, or what is our kind of line of sight? What can we see based on where we are on this hill? For example, if we are up on top of the hill, we can see a lot more than if we were, let's say, on the bottom of the hill or all the way over here. The line of sight or the view shed changes significantly. So this is a tool that is built into ATAK. It's very simple to use and it's extremely handy, especially when you are between 2 points and you don't want to guess. Once you're done, you can select that single point, delete it, go to the next point, and delete it, and you're fully reset. Hope this helps you figure out how to measure distance between 2 points within ATAK.